Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the tension gauge reads 0 or is calibrated. This prevents biased readings. Next, you choose the thread and needle matching your project because material properties change tension outcomes. Once done, clamp the fabric sample in a flat, stable area and attach the gauge to the thread tail. Make sure to leave a consistent 2-3 inch tail for measurement. You perform the first pull slowly to observe baseline behavior and record the initial force value as your reference. You now pull the thread through the gauge at a steady speed to capture accurate peak and settling forces. This steady motion matters because jerky pulls distort readings. While watching numbers, adjust your machine tension 1 notch at a time. Small changes reveal cause and effect. Once you've adjusted, repeat the measurement 3 times and average the values to reduce random error. If thread frays or slips, pause and inspect needle threading and entry angle before continuing with more measurements. You finalize by setting the machine tension to the averaged value and sewing a full seam sample to verify stitch quality under real conditions. If the seam balances, no loops or puckering, record the gauge reading and all machine settings for future use. This saves time next project. If problems persist, inspect the needle for burrs, verify bobbin tension, and trace the entire thread path for obstructions. One key troubleshooting tip. Inconsistent readings almost always come from variable pull speed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.